everybody, it is me, Vincent, coming to you from SeaWorld Orlando. I'm here on a really beautiful sunny day, and I'm here to check out the brand new, yet to open roller coaster, Icebreaker. They are doing annual pass holder previews right now at SeaWorld for the roller coaster, which will be officially opening February 18th. They had media previews and a couple of other pass holder previews a few days before, and people seemed to really like it. I'm excited to hop on today. Hopefully I can get on multiple times, and hopefully I'll like it. I mean, I probably will. It's a brand new roller coaster in Orlando. Like, how can you not like that, right? Believe it or not, the park is actually pretty empty, and there's like nobody in line for Icebreaker, which is awesome. All these people are just coming out of the Orca show. Like, it wasn't like this a moment ago, I swear. I picked a really bad time to start vlogging, but there is barely any line for Icebreaker. And like I said, it opens officially on February 18th. That's my shadow there. Hello. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it, get in line for the ride now. Today is previews just for gold and platinum passes. Luckily for me, I do have a platinum pass, which I don't use enough. Oh, there it goes. Let's get in line, check this thing out. Let's just jump right into it, shall we? Lockers for the ride are right over here. Dude, it is a walk-on. I love previews here at SeaWorld. This is so awesome. Super low-key, super great. Let's go ahead and stick this camera in a locker and switch to the GoPro. Are we?
Yeah. The other one moved pretty quick.
Yeah, that button's red. So e-stop. I think we're stuck. Well, it is a preview. Nope. Oh. We're backing up. Bye, Icebreaker.
We are diligently working to resume normal operation, and we appreciate your patience.
Alright, they're letting us back on. Alright, round 2. Let's let's see if it actually goes this time. There you go, that's better. Yeah, I agree. Alright, feeling pretty good about our chances right about now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't know it was all back here. All right. That was good.
Yeah.
That was fun, snappy. Very hoppy. That was cool.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Oh.
I know, this is gonna be awesome.
Oh my gosh. Back row is the way to go, for sure. Oh man. All right, just got off Icebreaker. I did it 5 times. I did it twice in the front, twice in the back, and then once in the middle. I wanted to get all possible angles of the brand new roller coaster here at SeaWorld, and I am happy to say it does not disappoint. This is a fun, zippy little roller coaster. It is great. I enjoyed it quite a bit, but I did absolutely love the back row the most. So if you're gonna ride Icebreaker, which you totally should, you gotta do the back row because of this little element right here. This is like a beyond vertical drop here. I'm kind of curving over here so you can see the track curves out like that. So if you're in the back row, you kind of feel it a whole lot more. And that was a much more fun ride. I did do it in the front row and I thought, oh, that's cool. But when I did the back row, right here, I was like, wow, this is awesome. So this is a great ride. This is a really accessible roller coaster too. It doesn't go upside down. It's fast. It's got small dips. It isn't very tall. I think this is a great roller coaster. Great addition to this park. And I'm starting to find out some of my favorite roller coasters in Orlando happen to be at SeaWorld. Like I love Mako and I really enjoy Icebreaker too. And I've also kind of got a soft spot for Manta. It's very intense, you know. So pretty good. And also, this preview worked out great. There's nobody here. There's like, I was able to get on 5 times in an hour and a half because there was nobody here. I just walked right on every single time, which is really awesome. So I am gonna go visit the pass holder lounge, get myself a drink, get my free quick queue with my Platinum Pass. The 7 Seas Food Festival actually kicked off today. And while I don't know if I'm interested in getting anything at the booths, I'll grab a little book and see what they have, and we'll just go and enjoy the park. Maybe jump on 1 or 2 more roller coasters before we get on out of here. The main thing today was checking out Icebreaker, which I'm happy I did, and I might come back to this later in the day. We'll see. It is like finally hot again here in Orlando. It's been really cold these past couple days. The sun is out, and this water looks so good. I would be tempted to ride Infinity Falls, but it is having a delay right now. So that is gonna be a no-go. I'll just have to catch some wind on Mako instead. Catch some wind? Is that like, that's like farting, right? Catching wind? Right, that's the term, right? Whatever. I'm not gonna fart on Mako, I'm gonna ride Mako. Aw, Mako is currently experiencing some technical difficulties. So let's go ahead and kill some time at the shark encounter down over here. That's actually something I haven't done in a really long time, and I think it's pretty darn neat. I've always enjoyed this fun fact about the tube that you walk through in the shark encounter. It is 124 feet long and it can support the weight of 372 elephants, a total of 2,232 tons. That is crazy to me. I can't even imagine what that actually feels like. You know what I mean? And it's kind of hard to believe. On a day like today where it's now suddenly warm here in Orlando, it is nice to have a nice little AC break and go inside and like, I do theme parks all the time, but I haven't done like a legit zoo or a legit aquarium in a while. And the cool thing about SeaWorld is it is a legit aquarium. That was like a real, genuine aquarium exhibit you'd find at any other aquarium in the world. And that was very, very cool and nice. But I think Mako is running again, so let's go ride. a minute since I've checked out SeaWorld merch. They used to have this really cool, like, awesome logo. It was like just the orca, but now they have these like fun retro shirts with all the different characters on them. People like Sir Winston Walrus, I think Clyde and Seymour are down over here from the Sea Lion show. Very fun. This is a really cool shirt, and I would get this. Maybe. I would get it because you can feel the softness. Here's some of the Icebreaker merch that they're selling. I think these are like dry fit material, which is nice. Where these at like Aquatica or something like that. They also have a wooden assembly train, kind of like they have at Universal with the Velocicoaster, which is pretty cool. I did see one of the team members here with a really cool orange hat that had the Icebreaker logo. That I would have easily bought, but alas, it does not seem to be available to regular people like me. This is the hat I'm talking about right here. Look how cool it is. Thank you for being an excellent model. I was thinking of trying to get in line one more time. The line is a little bit longer than I was expecting. I had my fun. I rode it a couple times in the afternoon. I will be okay. It was a very great roller coaster, and I'm happy I got to do it, and I can't wait to do it multiple times whenever I come back to SeaWorld Orlando.
On a night in the sun, we'll be playing and having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my baby.
I was completely mistaken about this little roller coaster kit. It actually helps you build a little tiny baby icebreaker. Look how cool that is. I love that. Well, I feel so broke up. I wanna go home. Sloop John B, everybody. Beach Boys. What is this? Edible straws. Strawberry. Oh, this is a strawberry straw. It's nice and hot here at SeaWorld. I said, you know, I've been having a great day. Why not get a little frozen pina colada before I get ready to get on out of here? I'll try to do Icebreaker one more time. That line will go down. That line will go down. And then I do want to see the dolphins. I love seeing the dolphins. Listen, when I come to SeaWorld, I only do two things. I do fishies and I do roller coasters. The Seven Seas Food Festival starts today. I'm not a big food guy. When I go to theme parks, I'm a ride guy. And I'm sure the festival is great. They did have some pretty interesting stuff as I was walking around the park, but I was definitely like more interested in the rides and the fishies. That's what I come here for. Also, before I got to SeaWorld, there's like a Wachow across the street. So I just got like a cold turkey sandwich with some chips and some sweet tea. And that was like a perfect little lunch. So I'm not super hungry. Don't really want to check out the booths. I will leave the Seven Seas food coverage up to the many other capable vloggers that will be invited to their special event to check it out. But for now, you can rely on me for pina colada reviews and weird strawberry straw reviews. It's pretty good. And Icebreaker's great. Icebreaker's very cool. I'm excited to jump on that one more time before we get out of here. So the line for Icebreaker is a lot better now. I'm gonna go ahead and get in line one more time. I'm not gonna vlog it this time. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. It's really good though, this sort of like dual loading station that it has where it kind of goes in and goes and does the ride and it can get more people in as it's going. Like, it's really convenient and it seems like it's been pretty efficient. I'm curious to see what this is gonna be like when like the actual general public gets to take part in the roller coaster when it's officially open, how much longer the wait time will be, because today it's been pretty much like a walk-on and the only time it's ever gotten backed up was when there was like a small delay at the station. Anyway, time to ride. See you guys in a bit. I think a really cool thing about SeaWorld is that it is a theme park. You know, it's a world of fantasy with all these really awesome roller coasters and things like that, things you can have fun with. And then it's also very real, where you really do get to like connect with nature and animals and dolphins and all that kind of stuff. And just like getting up to this giant like window here and seeing them fly by super close it's really awesome. And it is a really, really unique experience that they don't really have much of these in Orlando. So it is always nice to do. It's one of the things I always like to do whenever I come to SeaWorld is visit the underwater dolphin viewing area. I think it's so cool. And then sometimes there's like people who like bring toys and they know how to like get the dolphins' attention, which is really, really cool as well. That's really, really special. Kids love seeing it, and like, I don't know, it's cool to see you connect with these very intelligent creatures. It's very cool. I am getting ready to get on out of here. I have had a pretty satisfying day here at SeaWorld. I got my roller coasters and I got my fishies, and that's all I ever want from this place. So let's get out of here. Let's go home. Well, that's our show, folks. Thank you guys for watching another VincentVision. I had a really fun day here at SeaWorld. I'm so happy I get to test out Icebreaker before it officially opens February 18th. SeaWorld Orlando has another great, fun addition to their parks. It's great. Like Icebreaker and Mako, amazing, amazing roller coasters. Icebreaker is going to be a big hit. I can tell. It is great for families. It's great for kids who are tall enough to ride roller coasters like that, 48 inches. It's really fun. It's fast. It's zippy. It's poppy. I can't wait to come back to the parks and ride it again and see some more fishies whenever I happen to do that. Why am I talking like this? Why am I talking like a baby to you guys? Anyway, I hope you had fun having fun with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. Elevator. Doot. Bye-bye.